The look, the moves, the pedigree. Magnum Chick Dream has it all, and he passes it on. The 1996 Sorrel Stallion, owned by Jack and Viola Scott, is an AQHA Superior Reining Horse and 2004 AQHA Senior Reining World Champion. As a 3-year-old, Magnum Chick Dream was NRHA Futurity Limited Open Reserve Champion, Intermediate and Open Finalist, and is now an NRHA $1 Million sire.
It was just blind luck that we got him. And as a matter of fact, we tell the story all the time that we bought him originally to gild for her to ride as a non-pro horse. But fortunately, we were convinced that that was not the thing to do. And, so here we are today.
Magnum Chick Dream has an unbeatable pedigree by NRHA and NCHA $1 Million sire Smart Chick Olina. He's out of proven producer Salem Barbie by NRHA Hall of Famer Top Sale Cody. Magnum Chick Dream is the kind of mover who draws every eye in the arena. Known for strong stops and brilliant spins, highlighted by a spectacular mahogany mane.
I remember Magnum himself when he was 3-year-old, and I always related him to the movie The Natural. One of the most natural I've ever seen. For me, natural as far as loping-wise, movement-wise, holding his neck-wise, stopping-wise. You know, back in that day, he was the most natural I've ever seen. Natural means those are the genetics that we want to pass on. So if they have it naturally, you know, it's going to pass on.
But that's only half the picture. While Magnum Chick Dream's athletic ability puts him among the top performers in the reining industry, his quick mind and easygoing personality make him the perfect sire for non-professionals as well.
With Magnum, they're all really big stoppers, and they're real cute horses. You know, they no matter what, they will drag their butt. They're really good-minded, real trainable. They fit a lot of people. You know, they show in the non-pro, the intermediate, and in the open.
He's sweet, sweet. I'm a grandmother many times, and he took me around the show pen like a gentleman. So, I mean, you know, how can you explain that?
And Magnum Chick Dream has already proven he can pass on those great traits to his gorgeous sons and daughters like Lil Magnum Jessie, This Chick's Done Dreamin', Magnum with a Dream, Stop Like a Dream, Dreamy Little Sailor, and AQHA Amateur World Reining Champion, Bit of Magnum.
To me, a good horse is a good horse no matter how it's bred, but there seems to be a lot of exceptional Magnums out there.
Magnum Chick Dream is nominated to the NRHA Sire and Dam Program, the National Reining Breeders' Classic, the AQHA Incentive Fund, and others. Magnum Chick Dream stands at the world-class Cedar Ridge Stallion Station, which can handle everything from breeding to training and sales. With Magnum Chick Dream, you don't have to choose between mind, heart, talent, or pedigree. You get it all. For information on breeding to Magnum Chick Dream, call or visit Cedar Ridge Stallion Station in Whitesboro, Texas, 903-564-7686, or go online to magnumchickdream.com.